Have you ever wanted to make your Jenkins pipeline stand out, but felt lost trying to customize the stage view? You're not alone. Today, we're diving into how to add those little blue tags to your Jenkins pipeline stage view. I totally get it. Customizing your Jenkins pipeline can feel overwhelming, especially when you want it to look professional and organized. Many users face this challenge, and it can be frustrating when you can't find the right solution. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked, how can I add the little blue tags to the stage view in a Jenkins pipeline? If you've been wondering the same thing, stick around as we explore this together. So, what are these blue tags? They are a visual cue that helps you quickly identify the status of each stage in your pipeline. Understanding how to implement them can greatly enhance your workflow and make your pipeline more user-friendly. And don't go anywhere. At the end of this video, I'll share a bonus tip that will help you optimize your Jenkins pipeline even further. To add the little blue tags to the stage view in a Jenkins pipeline, the user first needs to ensure that they have the necessary plugins installed. Specifically, the user should check for the Pipeline and Blue Ocean plugins. Next, the user should configure their Jenkins file to include the appropriate stages. Each stage can have a label that will appear as a blue tag in the stage view. After setting up the Jenkins file, the user should commit the changes to their version control system. This will trigger a new build in Jenkins, allowing the user to see the updated stage view. Finally, the user can navigate to the Blue Ocean interface in Jenkins to view the pipeline. Here, they will see the stages with the little blue tags indicating their status. Fun fact: did you know that Jenkins was originally developed as a fork of the Hudson project? It has come a long way since then, evolving into one of the most popular automation servers out there. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach suggests using the node label to customize the Jenkins pipeline stage view. By specifying the node's name or label, you can see the corresponding label in the stage view. This method allows you to execute stages on different platforms, showing the labels of your slave environments in the Jenkins interface. Here's that bonus tip I promised. Consider using the input step in your pipeline to pause execution and wait for user input. This can be incredibly useful for manual approvals or checks. And there you have it. You've learned how to add those little blue tags to your Jenkins pipeline stage view. Remember, customizing your pipeline can make a big difference in your workflow. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks.